Hi everyone, in this video I am going to present a topic on homeostasis. Homeostasis is a body's ability to maintain a stable internal environment despite changes in the external environment. It is a very fundamental process that is very much needed for the survival of all living organisms. This term homeostasis was coined by Walter Cannon in 1932. Then next thing is importance of a homeostasis. Homeostasis plays a vital role in normal functioning of the body. It will helps to maintain a stable internal environment. Then only the cells, tissues and organs will functions very efficiently. This homeostasis is mainly needed for maintaining our body temperature. The body must contain a constant temperature to ensure that chemical reactions occur at the appropriate rate. The next thing is the homeostasis should maintain a blood sugar level because the body must maintain a stable level of glucose in the blood for supplying energy to the cells. Then homeostasis is needed for maintaining the blood pH. If the body should maintain a slightly alkaline pH. Then only our enzymes and other proteins will work correctly. Then it is also needed for water and salt balance. The body must regulate the levels of water and electrolytes to maintain a proper balance of fluids. Then how this homeostasis works. The homeostatic system involves a complex interplay between the nervous system, endocrine system and the other regulatory system in the body. The process of homeostasis involves three main components. First thing is receptor, then control center and the effector. Receptor will senses the changes in the internal environment and send signal to the control center. This control center will process the information received and the receptor from the receptor and send signal to the effector. The effector will produce a response to restore the internal environment to its normal state. For example, if the body temperature increases due to the increase in heat exposure, the receptors in the skin will sense the temperature change and send signal to the hypothalamus and the control center. Then this hypothalamus will initiate a series of responses including sweating or vasodilation and increased respiration. This one will help the body to reduce the temperature and helps the body to return back to its normal state. Likewise, our body is maintaining the normal state. This homeostasis is a fundamental process which helps the body to perform in its normal state. It is also responsible for maintaining a stable internal environment and it will also support the cells, tissues and organs. The next concept is tissue and its types and function. Tissue is a group of similar cells. There are four types of tissues: epithelial tissues, then connective tissue, muscular tissue and nervous tissue. Epithelial tissue in the sense the tissue that covers the upper surface of the body or organ, then outer layer of the internal organ, It also lines the cavities of the body such as mouth, nose and lungs. Okay, the function of epithelial tissue include protection, then secretion, absorption and sensory reception. The next tissue is connective tissue. This one will provide support and connects different parts of the body. It includes bone, cartilage, adipose tissue and blood. The main functions include structural support, protecting organs, storing energy and transporting nutrients and oxygen. The next type is muscular tissue. This type of tissue is responsible for movement. It includes skeletal, cardiac and smooth muscles. The skeletal muscles will be attached to the bones and it is responsible for voluntary movement. Then cardiac muscles only found in heart. It will be responsible for pumping blood. And smooth muscles is found in internal organs and it is responsible for involuntary movement. Okay, the next thing is nervous tissue. It is responsible for communication that includes brain, spinal cord and nerves. The functions of nervous tissue include transmitting signals between different parts of the body, controlling and coordinating body function and receiving information from the environment. Okay, this is a 4 types of tissue. Okay, first thing is connective tissue, then epithelial tissue is there, then muscle tissue, then nervous tissue. Okay, here the types of epithelium tissues are there. There are 3 types of epithelium tissue: squamous epithelium, cuboid and columnar. Okay, here squamous epithelium in the sense it is mainly located in esophagus linings, lungs, alveoli and blood vessels. Okay, it will protect the underlying tissue from any injury. Okay, then cuboid epithelium in the sense it is present in kidney, then salivary gland ducts. Then columnar epithelium is present in, it is also called as ciliated columnar epithelium. Okay, it is mainly found in respiratory tract. Okay, thank you all.